I can't stop sneezing!
So I love sneezing.
Here comes the brand new flavor in yeah.
So are you ready?
Yeah, hold on.
When you have two teeth, that's not out of your nose.
It's just it's that little thing in your nose.
This is hi.
Hi.
Full of that of you sneezing on us.
So I love sneezing, and I was just in a coffee shop next to someone who sneezed. And like, they just, you know when you can like feel it and it like tingles in your chest, or like you just want to like do that, you're like, oh wow, and like it gets on, you know, you feel it like in your, it's like a massage, it's like a mini massage from the inside of your body. And I think that instead of like saying bless you to people, I want to start saying congratulations.
Congratulations, you're amazing. Look at what you've done.
I don't know. Like, congratulations. Oh, congratulations.
Ew. I can't stop sneezing! Mom would like make me use it.
Congratulations. You're welcome.
I'm not gonna do it for you, but you do it. I think what's happening, it needs a little go. So do a little go. Oh yeah. There you go. Let it go, let it go. I can't do it. You can. Let it go. You got it. You look beautiful. Come on, you got it. You look really great. Excellent. I'm working on it. By the way, you just completely embrace it. I feel like I'm spitting everywhere. Here, go right here so it's not that old house in the background. I put in blueberries,
So I haven't been on here in a little bit. I've currently been struck down by a cold. But I thought to make it up for you for not being around, I would of course make you dinner. Here you go.
And no one's gonna bless me? What a world we live in.
Bless you. Thank you.
I wanna see what I look like when I have to sneeze.
Did you know that if you sneeze too hard, you can fracture a rib? Oh, but get this, if you try to suppress a sneeze, you can rupture a blood vessel in your head or in your neck and possibly not make it to see another day. It's Kimmy's fun fact of the day. Damn if you do, damn if you don't, right? I know you're probably thinking like, what in the final destination is going on here? But to make you feel a little bit better, your heart doesn't actually stop when you sneeze. It just loses the rhythm and the next beat is delayed. So no, it does not stop. Continue doing what you do. Continue saying bless you every time you sneeze or someone else sneezes. I didn't know I had to add sneezing to my daily prayers, but now I'm definitely going to do that. And I'm going to pray for you too, so.
Trying to take my makeup off. Why am I having a sneezing attack? I can't. I think I'm okay. I think I'm okay now. I'm okay. Oh, okay. Go away. Oh. I'm okay. Oh my God. Salud. Gracias. Thank you. Anyways.
Hey, first I want to say thank you to all of the Neese tribe. Subscribers and Patreon members, we could not do this without you. You guys keep us lifted up and supported.
Literally no reason for that.
What?